One of the biggest lessons I learned in life is the importance of having multiple sources of income. Imagine having a business that works for you kahit wala ka doon physically. You're not working, pero tuloy ang kita. Some of the examples of those are real estate, stocks trading, or forex trading. So, for example, real estate, okay yun if you have millions na pwedeng ipangbili and para maipang-rent out mo ng properties. Pangalawa, stocks trading, good siya for long-term growth naman. But if you are starting small, forex copy trading is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to get started. It's really smart to invest in the financial market. Pero syempre, just like any other businesses, meron din siyang risk. But if you are someone na opportunity seeker at risk taker na katulad ko, then forex copy trading is definitely for you. So, paano nga ba nag-work ang forex copy trading? So, simple lang. You copy the trades of expert traders or bots. Kapag kumikita sila, kumikita ka rin. No need na ikaw pa ang mag-analyze o magbantay ng charts. Kasi nga, automated na lahat. So, ganun lang kadali. Pero for your understanding, i-breakdown muna natin kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng forex trading. So, forex trading or forex stands for foreign exchange. It is the buying and selling of currencies. Ibig sabihin, palitan. Okay? It is the largest financial market in the world. So, gaano karami nga ba ang trading volume o ang pera na umiikot sa forex trading? Nasa $7.5 trillion lang naman. So, ganun kalaki yung umiikot na pera sa forex trading araw-araw. So, technically, ang forex trading, part siya ng CFD or tinatawag natin na contract for differences. So, traders make money from price movement ng currencies, kahit pataas o pababa ang market. Bukod sa forex, CFDs also include crypto, meron din tayong stocks, meron ding metals, and meron ding indices. But for now, let us focus more on forex dahil ito yung pinaka-liquid at pinaka-active sa buong mundo. So to give you an idea, one of the players in the forex industry are banks, investors, o yung mga individuals o retail traders na tulad natin. Kaya naman, hindi ka matatakot na mag-participate sa forex trading dahil marami nang kumita ng malaki sa forex. Dahil even bank nga, they are also participating in the industry. So, paano nga ba nag-work ang forex copy trading? Meron tayong dalawang common way para makapag-copy trading. First is merong tinatawag na automated copy trading o AI ang nagpapagalaw. And pangalawa, meron tayong manual copy trading. Tao naman yung nagpo-trade. So, to further explain to you what are the differences between those, no? So, first, when we say automated copy trading, yung trades na nangyayari sa trading account na yon ay pure na AI ang nagpo-trade. Meaning, nakaset up yung account na yon to follow the algorithm or its rule-based system. So, ang results, profit or loss ng AI na copy trading ay based, of course, sa trades ng AI o ng robot. Pag sinabi naman na manual copy trading, here, tao naman ang nagtitrade. At manually siyang nagtitrade based sa risk management and strategy na na-develop niya on his own. This kind of trading naman is more of high risk naman siya. Whereas ang bot kasi o ang AI bot trading, masasabi ko na calculated ang risk niya. Simply because bot has no emotions. It is not prone to being greedy, it will not take revenge trades. At tulad nga na sinabi ko, magpa-follow lang siya sa rule-based system. And it also uses mathematical trend following strategy. At yung exact strategy na yon ang makakopy o masisync sa magiging trading account mo. Automatic lahat ng trades ng portfolio o bot na yon ay siya mo ring magiging trades. Ganun nag-work yung copy trading. Okay? Or forex copy trading. So, ano nga ba yung mga advantages, no, kapag nagsimula kang mag-copy or nagsimula ka sa AI copy trade or simply copying my portfolio? So, number one is emotion-free trading. Kapag bot ang nagtitrade, it execute trades based on logic and rules, hindi sa emotion. And isa pa, ang bots are consistent and disciplined. Kasi nga, ifo-follow lang niya yung sinet mo na rule sa kanya. Pangalawa, 24/5 monitoring. Even habang natutulog ka, nagtitrade ang bot all throughout the trading hours, which is actually sa Philippines, it is from Monday to Saturday ng madaling araw. Then, pangatlong advantage niya is this will become your hands-free passive income stream. O sabi nga sa isang millionaire mind training na na-attendan ko, this will become your passive business income source. Wala kang kailangan bantayan, wala kang kailangan gawin. Kasi the bot will trade for you. This is perfect for basic professionals, sa mga OFWs, sa mga beginners sa trading na gustong mag-earn agad, or kahit sino na gustong palaguin ang pera nila, at para sa mga tao na gustong mag-maximize ng let your money work for you. Pang-apat, you can start small and scale big for as low as $300 or $1,000 as recommended capital, or even $50 minimum capital. You can start with copy trading. You can also add more if you have observed and you are happy with the results of its performance, no? So, kasi we have traders here, or we have copy traders na nag-start sila ng 300 and then naging happy sila sa results. Naging 1,000, naging 4,000, naging 5,000, naging $10,000 because they have observed the performance of the bot. And lastly, transparent and trackable ang performance nito. Back-tested and proven ang strategy niya kasi we do not rely on luck, we rely on data. So, to give you an idea sa performance ng AI copy trading na ito yung naging history niya simula nag-start ito mag-run noong 2023. As you can see, mostly profit talaga siya ever since nagsimula ito. So, for example, that you have $1,000 capital at ang current profitability rate natin is 140%. Ngayong sinut ko tong video, you have earned $1,400 na from the date na nag-start ito. So, ibig sabihin, kumita ka na ng $1,400 at nai-out mo na yung $1,000 mo na capital. Ibig sabihin, risk-free na yung copy trading mo. And kumita ka na nga ng 140%. Imagine, 140%, if you have $1,000, that's $1,400. What more if you have more pa na capital? But of course, lagi namin sinasabi, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. But you have to look at the data. Ganda naman talaga ng history rin ito. And for transparency purposes, I will be including the MyFX book record of my trades o trades nitong bot na to so you can still track its progress and profitability rate below. So if you're interested, the 3 steps guide on how to copy trade my portfolio will be sent to you on a separate message. You can also check it on the description box below and follow the instructions. So yun lang, sana marami kang natutunan, and remember, let your money work for you so you will have more time para sa pamilya mo, for yourself, for your life, and for the things that truly matter. Happy trading and God bless you!